Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a dispatcher. Okay, basically this job description of a dispatcher, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of a dispatcher that helps potential candidates to work on important requirement in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph, which is called as a job summary paragraph. And generally, it is a brief paragraph and it states about a particular job title, firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for a dispatcher. Then in this paragraph, very important key duties and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as, some important skills as well in order to find its potential candidate. Basically, this paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all the very important and key information about this particular job of a dispatcher. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then you will see the detailed duties and responsibilities, and at the end we will also see the requirement section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. We are currently recruiting for a professional and reliable dispatcher to act as our company's first point of contact for emergency and non-emergency calls. In this position, you will be in charge of maintaining call logs, monitoring routes, transferring messages, and directing field units. To excel in this position, all candidates should be able to multitask in stressful conditions with little supervision. In addition to being an excellent communicator, the ideal candidate will also demonstrate superb organizational and interpersonal skills. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section that provides more duties and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. And one more important thing, like all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally, these are part of every job description of a dispatcher. But because of the fact that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude, this particular duties and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As a dispatcher, your duties and responsibilities include answer emergency and non-emergency calls and document important information, respond to any issues and follow up by coordinating with the appropriate departments or field units, operate and manage a multi-line telephone console system, respond to queries related to products and deliveries, use the radio, phone or computer to direct crews and other field units to the appropriate sites, prioritize and organize calls according to urgency, supervise the route and status of field units to prioritize their daily schedule, maintain and update call logs, call records, and other important documentations. So, all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities for a job of a dispatcher. After this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a dispatcher. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a dispatcher, you must have a high school diploma or equivalent qualification that is required. Also, a minimum of 2 years experience in a similar role, strong knowledge of emergency processes and procedures, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, proficient in MS Office with proven experience in data entry, ability to work well under pressure. Okay, so all these are the requirements for a job of a dispatcher. Okay, at the end, our job description and with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a dispatcher. Okay, so basically a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on the job description of a dispatcher. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Shopper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.